To make an old strategy more profitable, we have added another indicator. And if you set its settings in the way we mentioned, so your old strategy will be updated and become more accurate. So last time we traded on same strategy, Kanashi chart patterns and Keltner channel, these two components. But today we will add a MACD indicator in it and change its settings so that we get an accurate signal. So the Keltner channel settings will remain the same as last time. Like you just have to do 2 instead of 1 here. And you can set the color in your own way. And now you have to watch the MACD settings carefully. MACD's default settings work well. But if you change it a little, it will work best. So the entire settings will change in this. For example, type 10 in fast period, type 13 in slow period, and type 5 in signal period. That's the simple setting. Here I darken the colors a bit, so that you can see well. So here the setup of both the indicators is complete. Now we will see about time. In this you will see candle time and trade time on the screen. You also have to select the same. Now we will see where we have to take the entry, and on what basis. When the market is near the upper line of Keltner, and when it starts forming a red candle after a lot of green candles, and the MACD crosses from top to bottom, then you have to take a 1-minute down trade. And when the market is near the lower channel and after the formation of the green candle, when the MACD is starting to form an upward cross, then you have to immediately take a 1-minute upside entry. Now we will understand with the trade how to use it in reality. We are going to take a lot of trades on this, and on every trade you will get to learn something new. Here the long-term candles have touched the Keltner upper channel and are moving above it. So now we have to focus on the second confirmation, and that is to wait till the red candle is formed. And when the red candle is formed, then the third confirmation MACD crosses the line of both the moving averages downwards. And when all these 3 confirmations are met, then there are 90% chances of winning your entry. And stay connected on the channel too. There is a lot of different strategy, which will hardly be found anywhere else. And our first entry has won. Now I look for another entry, so here is the same condition as last time. So I will not waste time by giving the same explanation. Let's focus on what is different here. I'll tell you one more reason to go down here. Like this shadow is forming above, this means that now there are more sellers than buyers. It means that now the prices will be low and the market will fall down. So now it is confirmed that our entry will win. And now the second entry has also won. Now have to search for the next entry. If you want to find another entry quickly, you will have to add multiple currency pairs, otherwise it may take time to get your entry. So this time the market moved from above the lower line of Keltner and came down. And now the green candle has started forming. And below MACD has also crossed while going up. So I'll take a 1-minute double entry here. Because the market went down and immediately came up and this long shadow has been created. This means that many buyers have come in the market. Now the prices will start increasing. And here our entry 1. Here the market has moved down below Keltner's lower line with a lot of momentum. And looking back, there is also a support. And now we will wait for the formation of a green candle as well as a cross in the MACD. And we will take entry as soon as we get the signal. And the entry here has won. Here the market is trying to move down near the upper line as after many green candles, red candles have started forming, and the MACD is also crossing down, so I will definitely take an entry here. So here also the strategy got its prediction right. Here we will wait for a further close to the lower line and the formation of a green candle. And at the same time we will not trade till we get the signal in MACD. So the green candle is being made, now we will wait for the cross to happen. So the cross has happened, that's why now I have taken entry. And the entry has won. It is not that such a continuous entry of mine wins every day. Very good entries are being received today, but I always lose a single entry after the 3rd of April wins on it. Same condition. Starting on the top line. Now just wait for the cross in red candle and MACD and we'll take inventory immediately after getting all these confirmations. So here a red candle has been formed and there is also a cross. Now I take entry here. Unfortunately, the entry lost. Sometimes the market behaves like this. Same condition is here also. There is a resistance at the top, and the market came up to the upper line, and is now going down. And it's got signal down there too. And here this entry also won, so definitely add this strategy to your trading, you will definitely benefit. So see you next time with a new updated strategy. Till then, trade carefully.